Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Its skyline is ruled by a grand castle sitting high on a hill, surrounded by old cobblestone streets and narrow alleyways. The city looks like something from a fairy tale. Walking along the historic Royal Mile is a must as it takes you through Edinburgh's medieval heart. One of the city's biggest events is the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, a grand festival of music and tradition. And of course, no trip is complete without tasting Scotland's famous whiskey. In this video, we'll take you through the 10 best places to visit in Edinburgh. If you love exploring beautiful destinations like Edinburgh, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite travel spots, and subscribe for more amazing travel guides. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Edinburgh Castle. Edinburgh Castle has stood tall over Scotland's capital for more than 1,000 years. With its strong stone walls, winding steps, and old cobbled paths, it is full of history. Once a royal palace, it is now a museum where visitors can explore Scotland's past. The castle holds detailed exhibits and important artifacts, including the Scottish crown jewels and the honours of Scotland. Dark dungeons reveal the castle's dramatic past, from battles to imprisonments. Its rich history and stunning views make it one of Scotland's most famous landmarks, drawing visitors from around the world. 2. Royal Mile. The Royal Mile is a famous street in the heart of Edinburgh, Scotland. It stretches a little over a mile, 1.6 kilometers, connecting Edinburgh Castle to the palace of Holyrood House. This partly pedestrian street is lined with old stone buildings, many of which have shops selling Scottish souvenirs like tartan, whiskey, and shortbread. The area is full of history, with former tenements and taverns standing side by side. Narrow, dark alleys called closes run between the buildings, adding to the street's charm and mystery. Walking along the Royal Mile is like stepping back in time, surrounded by Scotland's rich culture. 3. Calton Hill. Calton Hill is one of the 7 hills of Edinburgh and stands tall over the city's historic Old Town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a great spot to enjoy stunning 360-degree views of the city. From the top, you can see Arthur's Seat, Edinburgh Castle, and Holyrood Palace. If the weather is clear, you can also spot the Firth of Forth in the distance. Calton Hill is a popular place for visitors and locals who want to take in the beauty of Edinburgh. With its breathtaking scenery and important landmarks, it is one of the best places to experience the charm of Scotland's capital. 4. St. Giles Cathedral. St. Giles Cathedral is the main church of the Church of Scotland and stands tall with its famous crown-shaped spire on the Royal Mile in Edinburgh's Old Town. This historic cathedral has been an important part of the city for over 900 years. Visitors admire its stunning stained glass windows and the beautifully designed Thistle Chapel, known for its detailed carvings. St. Giles is not just a place of worship, but also a cultural center, hosting many concerts and events throughout the year. Its rich history, breathtaking architecture, and lively atmosphere make it a must-visit landmark in Edinburgh. 5. Scott Monument. The Scott Monument is one of the most famous landmarks in Edinburgh. It was built to honor Sir Walter Scott, a well-known Scottish writer who was born in the city. This impressive tower has a striking Gothic design and stands 200 feet, 61 meters tall, making it a major feature of Edinburgh's New Town skyline. Visitors can climb its 287 steps to reach the top, where they will be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city. The monument is a must-visit for those interested in history, literature, or architecture. Its dark stone and detailed carvings make it a unique sight, and it remains a symbol of Scotland's rich cultural heritage. 6. Grassmarket. Grassmarket is a beautiful and historic street in the heart of Edinburgh. It has a rich history dating back to the 15th century and is a popular place for visitors. The area is known for its lively atmosphere, where the past and present come together. People love to explore its charming cafes, unique shops, and colorful streets. Grassmarket is full of character, making it a special part of the city's heritage. Whether you want to enjoy a cup of coffee, shop for something special, or simply walk around and soak in the history, this place has something for everyone. It remains one of Edinburgh's most cherished and vibrant spots. 7. Arthur's Seat. Arthur's Seat is one of the peaks of an old volcanic ridge that rises behind Edinburgh. It is a great place for hill walking, right in the middle of the city. Located in Holyrood Park, which covers 640 acres, 260 hectares, it is also home to a 2,000-year-old hill fort, adding to its rich history. The climb to the top is a popular activity for both locals and visitors. On a clear day, reaching the summit offers breathtaking views of the entire city. Whether you love history, nature, or just want to enjoy a scenic walk, Arthur's Seat is a must-visit spot in Edinburgh. It perfectly blends adventure with the beauty of nature. 8. Stirling Castle. Sitting high above the city of Stirling on a volcanic rock, this strong Scottish castle has witnessed many important events. It has seen battles led by Robert the Bruce and even the coronation of baby Mary, Queen of Scots. In 1993, it was also the site of the movie Braveheart's premiere. The castle is filled with history, and its royal palace has been carefully restored to show how it once looked. Its thick walls hold many stories from the past. Visitors can explore its grand rooms and enjoy stunning views of Stirling and Scotland's green hills and valleys, making it a must-visit place for history lovers. 9. Loch Lomond, the largest lake in Scotland by surface area, lies between the Scottish Highlands and Lowlands. It is famous for its beautiful islands and crystal-clear waters, which reflect the surrounding hills and mountains. The most famous peak is Ben Lomond, standing 3,195 feet, 974 meters tall, offering stunning views of the lake and Trossachs National Park. Loch Lomond is well known from a Scottish folk song and is a popular destination for nature lovers. Visitors enjoy hiking, boating, and exploring its peaceful landscapes, making it one of Scotland's most scenic and cherished natural spots. 10. The Scottish Parliament Complex, opened in 2004 by the late Queen Elizabeth II, is an important landmark in Edinburgh. It is located at the end of the Royal Mile, right across from Arthur's Seat, a famous hill in the city. The building is known for its unique and modern design, which has been both praised and debated. It is one of the most interesting architectural sites in Britain. Visitors to Edinburgh should not miss this attraction. There are various tours available for those who want to explore the Parliament, learn about its history, and see how Scotland's government works.